However, you can use AI-powered chatbots as a tool to enhance your online business or customer support services, which can indirectly contribute to earning money. Here's a script outline on how you can leverage AI chatbots for online earning. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll explore how AI chatbots can help you boost your online earning potential. Chatbots are powerful tools that can automate customer support, streamline business processes, and enhance user experiences. Let's dive into how you can leverage AI chatbots for your online business. Customer support automation. Implementing an AI chatbot on your website or messaging platforms can automate customer support processes. Chatbots can provide instant responses to frequently asked questions, guide users through troubleshooting steps, and handle common inquiries. This improves customer satisfaction, reduces support costs, and allows your team to focus on more complex tasks. Lead generation and qualification. AI chatbots can act as virtual assistants, engaging with website visitors and qualifying leads. By integrating the chatbot with your lead generation process, you can collect valuable information from potential customers, provide personalized recommendations, and nurture leads until they are ready for conversion. This helps optimize your sales funnel and increase conversion rates. Personalized recommendations and upselling. Utilize AI chatbots to provide personalized product recommendations based on user preferences and browsing behavior. By analyzing data, such as purchase history and user interactions, chatbots can suggest relevant products or services, leading to increased sales and upselling opportunities. Order tracking and updates. Integrate AI chatbots into your order fulfillment process to provide real-time order tracking and updates to customers. Chatbots can fetch and present information about shipping status, estimated delivery times, and any order-related queries. This enhances the customer experience, reduces support inquiries, and builds trust. Feedback and surveys. Engage customers with AI chatbots to collect feedback and conduct surveys. Chatbots can ask targeted questions, gather opinions, and provide users with an interactive and convenient feedback experience. This valuable feedback can help you improve your products or services, optimize your marketing strategies, and enhance customer satisfaction. Conclusion. AI chatbots offer a range of opportunities to optimize your online business processes and increase your earning potential. By automating customer support, generating and qualifying leads, providing personalized recommendations, tracking orders, and collecting feedback, you can enhance user experiences, improve conversion rates, and drive customer loyalty. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success in leveraging AI chatbots for online earning. Please note that implementing and customizing AI chatbots requires technical expertise or the involvement of developers. Consider exploring chatbot platforms or consulting with professionals to assist you in creating and deploying AI chatbots for your specific business needs.